guys, how's it going? So, thought I'd give you a little update on the G8, the Commodore VE SSV. Yeah, that unicorn. It fucking exists, I promise, it really does. Now, it's been over 3 years, which is ridiculous, but there's been circumstances, and that's why. But anyway, we are getting closer. Now, you know when you're waiting for something and you're like super stoked about it, and then you finally get wind that it's coming and it turns up and you're like, ah, shit. Well, that just happened. And no, it ain't these fucking gauges, okay? I ordered an integrated console that houses these 3 gauges, basically, from Ortize Customs Designs. Now, the finish on it is just not good at all. Now, I'm going to hit them up tomorrow and see what they're going to do for me, because it's terrible. I mean, take a look at this clip and you can see the finish on it. Like, I don't know if they rushed it, but the workmanship on finishing this thing is just not good at all. So highly disappointed. Anyway, what I have here for those gauge pods is air fuel ratio wideband. So it has digital and analog, oil pressure sensor, and a transmission temp sensor. So that's what these are. Let's give you a little bit of a look. They're obviously AEM gauges. Okay. Now, AEM gauges run about $200 a piece, I suppose. And you've got, you know, there's a few different types of them. Anyway, it's bloody nothing special, but the crazy thing is, between these 3 gauges and what I paid for the console, it's almost $1,000. It's $600 for these, and then $300 for the console. So let's have a look at the console again. So there she is. Okay? I mean, look at that. Look at how wrinkled that is. I don't know, would you call it wrinkled or fucking dented? Whatever. I mean, that is fucking shocking. I really didn't even want to make a video of it when I opened it up. But this seemed to be the best option as well, as far as like the stock look and, you know, keeping it nice and clean. So that's it. But anyway, I definitely will be calling them on Monday, or tomorrow rather. I'm pretty confident that Chris, I mean, it just needs some bloody refinish, basically some more body filler put into it and repainted. So that's fucking terrible, like fucking terrible. But so there you have it, guys. These will look good in there. I'm not sure if we'll do the black, but I think the car has silver on the inside, so we'll be probably using those. I think it'll look pretty tight. So one thing I wanted to add about this thing is it took about 5 weeks to get it, and I didn't see anything on the website that indicated that. So apparently after you order it, that's when they order the piece, and then by the time they get it and modify it, it takes 5 weeks to get it. Now after 5 weeks, pretty disappointed that it turns up like this. I mean, look at that, that's terrible right there. Apparently, if you supply your own piece, it only takes a couple weeks. But again, I didn't see anything on the website that said that. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. But anyway, super disappointed. So yeah, but not a lot to do left on the car. Obviously, get that installed, get these the wiring done on these 3 gauges, and then we need to get her retuned, get a dynoed, and put some spare wheels on the bloody back and burn the fuck out of them. I think it's time for some skids. What do you reckon? Need some Aussie skids, don't we? Fucking show you Yanks how to do a skid, eh? I know you love burnouts. So apparently there's an Australian burnout contest in Indianapolis this weekend. By the time you watch this video, it might have been last weekend. Or 10 weekends from now. Oh, fuck me. But for real, I'm gonna get this video up as soon as I can, but I'm so freaking disappointed. I swear a blind man finished that. He was like, Yep, it's done. Fuck yeah, good. Just ship it. Ship it. Come on. Like, who the fuck could look at that and go, yep, that's a fucking fine job. You've done a fucking stellar job. Just send it off to the customer. He's going to be cool with it. Because he's fucking blind too, obviously. Fucking hell. I'm going to have to call him and say, hey, yeah, it's Mick, and you sent me the console, and I just want to let you know, I'm not fucking blind. And I'll be like, damn it. We thought we were sending it to a fucking blind guy. Well, you weren't. You weren't sending it to a fucking blind guy. Got these fucking eyeballs and they work. Anyway, I appreciate you tuning in. Like and subscribe. Don't get mad at the swearing, because who gives a shit, all right? You only live once. And if you want to be uptight about swearing, well, then you have a problem. It's not mine. Love you guys. I really do. I'm just really frustrated with this fucking thing right here. I'm going to shove it up. You know the guy that does Aussie Man reviews? What do you reckon of that bloke's accent? I don't know, mate. He sounds a bit odd to me. There's a fucking Kiwi or some shit. But I tell you, if I find Aussie Man, I'm going to shove this fucking console right up Aussie Man's ass. Hey, Aussie Man, how you doing? You're a good dude. For real, though. You are funny as fuck. Anyway, that's it, guys. Like and subscribe. And there will be more updates. Hopefully, we'll get this bloody G8 done very, very soon. And we can do some mad skids for you. All right? I appreciate the guys and girls that have been patient about this thing. And yeah, I know it's a fucking unicorn. It will come to life soon, I promise. All right, guys. Peace, guys. Take it easy.